You and we have the same 24 hours in a day. The difference between people who succeed and people who struggle is not luck. It's how they use those hours. So let's talk about how you can start using your time efficiently, starting today. Number 1, start with clarity. If you don't know where you're going, you'll waste time wandering. Every morning, before you touch your phone, ask yourself, what are the 3 most important things I must get done today? Write them down. Keep them in sight. Clarity kills confusion, and confusion is the biggest time thief. Number 2, work in focus blocks. Multitasking feels productive, but it's a trap. Switching between tasks eats away at your energy and time. Instead, work in short, focused bursts, 25, 30, or 50 minutes. Then take a break. You'll get more done in 3 focused hours than in a full day of distractions. Number 3, say no without guilt. You can't do everything, and you shouldn't try. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to what truly matters. Protect your time like it's gold, because it is. Be polite but firm. Your goals deserve your energy, not everyone else's demands. Number 4, cut the time killers. Be honest. How many hours disappear into mindless scrolling, unplanned chats, or tasks that don't matter? Track your time for 1 day. You'll be shocked at where it goes. Then start cutting. Replace wasted minutes with meaningful action. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. It adds up to hours you could use to build your future. Number 5, plan for rest, not just work. Efficient time use isn't about working every second. It's about balancing energy. If you burn out, you'll slow down. So plan breaks. Take walks. Breathe. Sleep well. Rest isn't wasted time. It's fuel for everything you do. Number 6, review and adjust daily. Before the day ends, ask yourself, did I use my time well today? If the answer is no, don't feel guilty. Learn from it. Small improvements every day will create a huge difference over time. Because time management is not about perfection, it's about progress. So, time is life, and life is ticking right now. You can't get back yesterday, but you can choose how to use today. So start now. Be clear, be focused, be intentional, and remember, the way you use your time is the way you shape your future.